Hello, today I will show you how to clean your car's throttle body. This is really easy to do, only takes 10 minutes including dismantling and reinstallation, and you only need a few simple hand tools. Cleaning the throttle body is an essential part of maintaining your car and allows your car to maintain or increase your car's throttle responsiveness. So as you can see here, you will need a throttle body cleaner. I've heard that brake parts cleaner also works as a substitute, although I have never tried it. I will be using the brake parts cleaner to rinse my hands from all the grease and carbon after the job is done. You may need some way to plug some hoses that may connect to your car's throttle body. I will show you more later, but right here I'm showing some bolts and cable ties. Some tools you will need include a socket ratchet, pliers and screwdrivers. Let's get started. So the first step is to open up the hood and gain access to your throttle body. The throttle body is usually a solid hunk of metal that is wedged in between your airbox and your intake manifold. Do check your car's service manual that's usually available online if you're unsure. So as you can see here, the throttle body has been exposed. So for some car models such as mine, your coolant line will pass through the throttle body. This is because especially in colder climates, you don't want the throttle body to be stuck with ice. With this coolant line passing through the throttle body, it allows the engine heat to heat up the throttle body such that it will stay above freezing point, and thus your throttle plate will not get stuck. So what you want to do now is, if you've come across this situation, first you have to take out the two hoses that lead to the throttle body. So let me remove the clip here, and the moment you take the hose out, coolant is going to spill all around. So you're going to try to be as surgical as you can. So you need to get your pliers in. I'm bringing my smaller plier now and remove the clip that's securing the hose. Now once you take out the hoses, you will need to plug them in or park them somewhere, but I'm not going to do it because I'm going to do a small performance mod on this throttle body hose, as you may be able to see in the next video when I upload. So I'm going to suspend both the hoses like so that the coolant doesn't continue leaking out. Now if too much coolant leaks out, you have to top up your coolant after all this is done. But since right now it doesn't seem that much, I'll check the coolant level later. So for now there's nothing much to worry about. So we can carry on dismantling the rest of the throttle body. And there we go. This will be our throttle body. So we have here our bare throttle body. If your system is like mine and you have coolant here, first you will need to flush out the coolant. Throttle body is a really simple construction. You have here the throttle plate, as you can see. This controls the amount of air that goes into your engine. And your electronics are here. And this is a coolant hose. So to clean your throttle body is really simple. You will need to spray a really generous amount of throttle body cleaner here and here, both sides of the plate. And then you can take your rag and your agitating brush and just agitate all the dust away from the throttle body. It's really simple. So let me just get started here. As you can see here, as I'm spraying the throttle body cleaner, some of the carbon has been cleansed from this. It just slides right off. So for the remaining, you take your brush and you agitate it. So you can see here the carbon gets agitated and it's removed from the surface of your throttle body. And then as you're spraying, you will want to open the throttle plate. You can use any object to open the throttle plate, maybe an old toothbrush or another brush or something. And you do this until you're satisfied with its cleanliness. Clean the plates here at the side. And also, don't forget to clean this part as well, where your air intake meets the throttle body. And the other side as well. Just get your soaked rag and just do a wipe down. When you're cleaning the throttle body, don't forget the corners where your electricals meet the throttle body plate, right here and here. The other side as well. They are your main moving parts in this, and it's good to keep them clean. And let me get my brush and just agitate. Just agitate all the carbon off. Then you spray some more throttle body cleaner. And just wipe with your rag. So I'll be back in a second once I've cleaned this throttle body completely. And I am done with the cleaning process. So as you can see here, it's clean, it's free of any major carbon spots, and this is going to go a long way in boosting the responsiveness of your car. So installation is the reverse of what we did just now. So let me just go ahead and put it all back together. As you can see, the sky is really getting dark here. It's going to be sunset soon, so I'm going to wrap this up as soon as I can. All you have to do is to reverse whatever you did just now for the assembly back together. And that's it, Pop's your uncle. So you want to make sure that everything's snug first with your hands, and then you get your ratchet and just tighten a little bit. So, like so. If you want to be accurate and use a torque wrench, you may want to check your owner's manual to see how many foot-pounds or how many inch-pounds you need to tighten these bolts to. And it's done. I hope you liked this video and found it useful. If you did, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for future videos. Bye for now.